Hi guys, Anton Bayon with the Gaia team and Interior Real Estate. And I'm standing right here in our latest listing. This one is located in Mountain View, California. This one has been fully renovated and offers 4 full bedrooms with 3 full bathrooms. 2 bedrooms downstairs and 2 bedrooms upstairs. With high ceilings, real wood flooring, wood doors. This one is located in Shoreline West neighborhood of Mountain View. It's located very close to the Google campus. It's nearly 2,000 square feet, sitting on a premium corner lot. This one you won't want to miss. Let's take a look around. Into the front door, there's a carved out mudroom for you and your guests to sit down, remove their coats and shoes. Further in, to your right, is the luxurious living room and kitchen. The high ceilings further intensifies the feel and offers a more spacious experience. The kitchen is completely renovated with name brand stainless steel appliances, soft tone designer backsplash, modern stone countertops. It's also paired with floating shelves, a gas range, and soft closing drawers and cabinets that perfectly match the real wood flooring. The adjacent living room complements the area with a modern tiled fireplace veneer. The wood-burning fireplace has been converted to a more modern electric fireplace. There's also a dining room directly adjacent to the kitchen and living room. The dining area is perfectly carved out with a low-hanging designer-style chandelier. On the ground floor, there's also a full-size bathroom, which has been upgraded with modern stone flooring, a floating vanity with a walk-in shower, having a large format European-style tiling. It's also paired with a high-grade rainfall shower head and shower wand. Past the bathroom is a full-size laundry room, equipped with name brand appliances and cabinets for easy laundry cleaning. On the ground floor, there's also 2 generously sized bedrooms. Each come with modern style closet doors. These rooms are perfect for in-laws or guests as they are right next to the full-size bathroom. Heading upstairs, you'll pass a luxurious and modern hanging chandelier that is above the staircase. Upstairs, you'll find the primary bedroom, guest bedroom, and another full-size bathroom. The bathroom is renovated to the max, having a large walk-in shower, tiles from the ground up, a floating vanity, high ceilings, and premium stone flooring. This bathroom makes you feel so fancy. The upstairs guest bedroom is also generously sized. High ceilings, a large window that lets in so much natural sunlight. Real wood flooring, this is a nice room indeed. Now, into the primary room. Wow, this is what you want. High ceilings, plenty of room, and take a look at the bathroom. Wow, wow, wow. This is a bathroom you will see in a luxury real estate magazine, with luxury tiling all across the wall, a dual sink floating vanity, huge walk-in shower with large format tiles. The premium soak-in tub offers you the opportunity to end all of your days with peace and relaxation. Now take a look at the walk-in closet, large in size and offers integrated shelving to organize all of your apparel. On top of all this, the home also offers dual pane windows, real wood flooring all around, high ceilings on both floors, smooth walls and ceilings for that ultra modern look, recessed lighting, designer interior doors, kitchen island with a breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, floating shelves in the kitchen, floating vanities in all of the bathrooms, central AC and heating system, 5 fruit trees, manicured landscape with low maintenance artificial grass, modern exterior look with that smooth stucco and a newer roof. Alright guys, you've seen this property and you heard all about it. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.